Today, our topic is water cycle. It occurs in 4 steps: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. First step is the evaporation. Evaporation is the process that changes liquid water into gaseous water, also called as water vapor. Water moves from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere via evaporation. After evaporation, then water vapors goes for next step, that is condensation, which is the second step. Condensation is the process where water vapors becomes liquid. It is reverse of evaporation. After evaporation and condensation, third step is the precipitation. Precipitation is the process in which any liquid or frozen water that forms in the atmosphere falls back to the Earth. Last step is the collection. Collection refers to the process by which water gathers back into the bodies of water such as rivers, lakes and oceans. Now water cycle repeats again and again. It increases during summer and decreases in the winter. Thank you.